Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, March the 1st, 2011. Well, a very bearish day today, and we can see that we have a very large red body candle. This in bar chart terms is an outside day, and that's where we have a candle or a bar that's made a higher high but a lower low when compared to the previous candle. And the size of the body of this candle is very large. It's that large, in fact, that it's taken out the two previous days trading, the body of both of those candles. Both of those candles were bullish bottles, and in one day this market has wiped out all of that bullishness, and we now have a fairly bearish market. This market is actually set up for a second time frame downtrend. Now, our trends are defined by our peaks and troughs in the second time frame. We can see previously we had a series of higher peaks and higher troughs. The market has now made a trough. Here's a peak, a trough. We now have a setup for a lower peak, and if we take out this trough here at roughly 12.95, then we will have a series of lower peaks and lower troughs, and we will have a change of trend to the downside. It's been some time since we've had a trend in the second time frame to the downside. Now, in Japanese candlestick chart terms, this is a bearish reversal pattern, and it's a bearish engulfing pattern. And that's where the body of the current candle completely engulfs the previous candle in a bearish way, and that's exactly what we've got here. Now, the market has also opened up towards the high and closed down towards the low, and that tells us that when the market closed, the bears were in control, and they've been in control for almost the entire day. The only time when they weren't was when the market tested just up above the previous candle's high. Now, we did expect to find some support down around 13.13. We can see previously here that the market found support there, but it was totally blown away by the bears, so very bearish trading. We should be looking to around the 1300 level for tomorrow's trading if the market does continue trending down. And that's a big number for this market. It's been tested on a few occasions, and previously here the market poked just through there and rallied from that area. So we did see good buying coming in as the market tested around that area. So we should be looking to that area tomorrow for any bullishness. If the market does attract the bulls back in around that level, then we might see the market test back up around 13.13 or higher. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we are trading up above the cloud, so the market has an overall positive bias. And we're now trading down below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which means that the market is bearish in the fast-term and medium-term time frames. Now, previously we noted that it had been some time since the market had closed down below the Kijun-sen. And this is a fairly bearish close below the Kijun-sen, so that could be quite important for the SP 500. Previously, we haven't tested significantly down below that level. If we do have follow-through today, and we do close down below 1300, there is probably a very good likelihood that the market will test down to much lower levels down around the top of the cloud, which is roughly at around 1275. So it's a very important trading day for the market tomorrow. Quite significant that we've tested down below the Kijun-sen again within the matter of a couple of days. We haven't seen that for quite some time. That's how bullish this market's been. There was only this occasion where the market tested at the Kijun-sen, and previously where the market tested at the Kijun-sen and rallied strongly from there. We haven't seen a strong rally now, and this is a warning sign for this very strong uptrend in the second time frame that the market's been in. So over the next trading day, the low of the current candle, 1306, and then certainly at 1300 is very important. We should still be watching up above because to around the highs of this market, around the 1330s, because we haven't actually technically had a change of trend yet in the first time frame. We haven't had a lower low and a lower high, although we've had this outside day. So very important trading tomorrow for the general health overall of this market.